Good morning everyone. This is Standard 6 Science video number 1. In this video we are continuing the chapter 7, that is getting to know the plants. In this video we will learn about the leaf. First of all, what is leaf? Leaf is a flattened thin green lateral structure attached to the stem. Okay, and this is also known as kitchen of the plant. Why it is called kitchen of the plant? It is called kitchen of the plant because it manufactures food with the help of chlorophyll present in the leaf only. Okay, now the parts of leaf we will read. Before that, we will read about the types of leaf. Okay, now the types of leaf, there are two types of leaf: simple leaf and compound leaf. Okay, the simple leaf is in simple leaf, what happened, the lamina is not divided into segments. Okay, just now you can see here, this is the simple leaf. Okay, this is the simple leaf, the lamina has not been divided. Okay, that is the entire lamina is or whole. Okay, not in a part. The simple leaf has an auxiliary bud in its axis. The leaves of the hibiscus, mango, sunflower and dahlia are some of the example of simple leaf. Okay, here you can see the apple's leaf. Okay, birch leaf. Okay, linden leaf, poplar leaf. Okay, all these leaves are the simple leaf. Now come to the compound leaf. In compound leaf, lamina is divided into segment called leaflet. Like this here, you can see here. Okay, it has been divided into leaflet. It has been divided into leaflets. Okay, these leaves are, some of them are palm. Okay, rose also, gulmohar also, tamarind also and neem also. These are the examples of compound leaf. Okay, this is also an example of compound leaf. Now we will study the parts of leaf. Okay, the leaf has three main parts. As you are seeing here, lamina, that is called leaf blade. Okay, and leaf apex, that is called tip. Okay, and third one is margin. Okay, all these are the three main parts. First of all, we will see about the lamina. Okay, lamina is the broad flat green part of the leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. Okay, here you can see, okay, it is written the blade. Here you can see the blade written. Okay, it is as sharp as blade. Okay, it is sharp on the edge. Okay, now the leaf apex, that is also called tip. This is called tip, that is called leaf apex. Okay, tip of the leaf is called leaf apex. Okay, now margin. Okay, the edge of the lamina is called margin. Okay, here is your margin. You can see here on the side. Okay, you can see here on the side, this is your margin. Okay, so the edge of the lamina is called margin. In the next slide we will see about the leaf venation. What is leaf? Before reading the leaf venation, we will see the other parts also, like petiole. What is petiole? It is a petiole or stalk. Okay, that attached to the stem. Okay, here it is petiole. You can see here. You can see here. Here is the petiole. Okay, it is, the leaf is attached with the stem, that is called petiole. Another name of this petiole is stalk. Okay, And next we will see about the in some of the leaves petioles are short while in the others they are quite long. Some leaves do not have petiole also. Okay, the petiole continues in the leaf as a mid rib. Okay, you can see here the mid rib is there. Okay, you can see this is the mid this is the midrib. Okay, though so the petiole continues in the leaf as a midrib. Now veins. Okay, what are the veins? You can see here lines all over. The lines are there. These lines are called veins. Okay, the midrib branches into thread-like structure called veins. Okay, the veins transport. What are the function of the veins? Veins transport water and minerals to the leaf. Okay, the leaf design and or pattern made by the veins in a leaf is called leaf venation. Okay, different designs are there. Okay, that designs are called leaf venation. Here you are seeing one word, that is stipule. Okay, here you can see stipules. What are the stipules? The leaves of some plants have small outgrowth or leaflet at the base. Okay, that is called stipule. Okay, here you can see small outgrowths from the base of the leaf or in between the stem, that is called stipules. Okay, and here the stem is there, nodes are also there, and leaf lamina you have read, midrib, blades. Now we are going to read about the venation. What is venation? Just now I said about the veins. Okay, venation is the arrangement of veins. Venation is the arrangement of veins on the leaf blade or the lamina is called venation. Like that you can see the veins are there. Okay, the designs are there, the patterns are there. These patterns are called venation, which is made up of the veins, and it is particularly of two types. That first one is reticulate venation, second one is parallel venation. Okay, we will read first about the reticulate venation. Okay, what is reticulate venation? When the veins from a net-like pattern on the lamina of a leaf, the venation is called reticulate venation. Okay, here you can see it is a net-like structure. All over the net-like structure the veins are scattered like a web. Okay, everywhere the web-like structure is there. That if this type of designs are there, the veins that is called reticulate venation. When I will explain the parallel venation, then you will understand better wise the difference between the reticulate and parallel venation. Okay, example of in the people plant, when you see in the people plant, the pattern will be like that. Okay, the pattern will be web like structure, they are not in the parallel. So this is called the reticulate venation. Just now I have said it is found in the leaves of people, China rose, mustard leaf, cabbage leaf, lemon's leaf, neem, lychee and mango trees. Okay, in this you will see about the parallel venation. Okay, here you are seeing the parallel venation. What is parallel venation? When the veins run parallel to the midrib or parallel to each other, the venation is called parallel venation. Now you can see here the veins are parallel. Okay, in a straight way. This straight way, when the veins run, that is called parallel venation. Okay, to the midrib. Okay, they are parallel. Okay, here you can see the leaf of a palm tree. This is the leaf of a palm tree, you can see here, and this is a leaf of a banana. How you have also seen the banana, the pattern of the veins. Okay, they are parallel to each other. Okay, they are parallel to each other. Okay, so when this type of venation occurs in the leaf of bamboo, sugarcane, palm tree, okay, that is called parallel venation. Thank you everyone.